So we have just done our first report here together with you with the help of Power Query. So far, Power Query allowed us to get the data from the web, from Wikipedia. Then we created a couple of visualizations, a couple of pages, added navigator, and of course at this stage you want to share your results of your work. So if you have a corporate account or if you have a school account, you can choose option publish, and that would come with your university or your corporate account, but that will require immediately that you provide your email address. If you don't have it, if you just started to learn Power BI, you can just save this file as pbix file, and for that just proceed to File, choose here Save As, then click on Browse this device and let it be on my desktop, for example. Add a title, my first Power BI report, and click Save. So congratulations, you have made your first Power BI report, and now you can work with it further, add additional visualizations, and of course we will proceed to more hints and tricks for Power Query in the next videos. Thank you, talk to you later.